Good morning, my friends. How are you guys doing? I haven't, I've been lazy lately when making videos and I haven't really talked. So, my name's Allie. If you've never been to my channel, welcome. Today I'm just going to do a Dutch pour. I decided to take Olga's course, um, and it's a really good course, guys. I will put a link in the description if you care to join it, and there'll be a coupon code as well, for like 10% off or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but I will put a link down there. It is really a good course, especially for beginners that don't really know what they're doing, because she goes over a lot of stuff that I wish I'd have had a course like that in the beginning. So just wanted you to know that. So I have used her recipe for this Dutch pour, and let's get started. So I'm going to be doing a bluish type painting, and we will spread this out. These are just some colors I was thinking about trying together. This color here is bluish gray or grayish blue. It's by Amsterdam. All these are Amsterdam paints. Yeah, this is a cool color. Hope it's not too dark. I don't think it will be. I think it'll be fine. Just get my edges wet here. So, I can't really tell you exactly what I used to make my paint because it's a secret. It's Olga's secret. You have to take her class. But it really, I'll tell you, for Dutch pours, it's like 100% different, the outcome. You can't tell until you actually do it yourself. It's hard to tell on camera. So, I suggest you try it. Pretty cool. So, this is grayish blue. I also have Prussian blue, sky blue, and white, and phthalo blue, and gold. Just get a napkin here. Watch the bubbles.